Every man, whether he admits it or not, is constantly communicating through what he wears. Before you speak, before you act, your outfit already tells a story. The problem is, many adult men unknowingly send the wrong message. Not because they lack resources, but because they overlook small, critical details that quietly ruin an otherwise solid look. Wearing clothes that don't fit properly. One of the most common and damaging mistakes is wearing clothes that are either too tight or too baggy. Oversized shirts can make you look careless, while overly tight pieces can feel uncomfortable and forced. Proper fit isn't about trends. It's about proportion, balance, and presenting your body in a way that feels natural and confident. Ignoring the importance of tailoring. Many men assume that off-the-rack clothing should fit perfectly, but that's rarely the case. Even a high-quality blazer or pair of trousers can look cheap if it doesn't fit your body correctly. A simple visit to a tailor can elevate your entire wardrobe, turning average pieces into something that looks custom-made. Holding on to outdated styles for too long. There's a difference between timeless and outdated. Classic pieces never go out of style, but certain cuts, patterns, and combinations can make you look stuck in the past. Adult men often fall into the trap of wearing what worked 10 or 20 years ago without realizing how much fashion has evolved since then. Overloading outfits with too many trends. Trying to incorporate every trend at once is a fast way to look confused rather than stylish. A bold jacket, flashy sneakers, and statement accessories all competing for attention can overwhelm your outfit. Style is about restraint, choosing one focal point and letting everything else support it. Neglecting color coordination. Color plays a crucial role in how polished your outfit looks. Clashing colors or overly loud combinations can distract from your overall appearance. Many men underestimate how powerful a simple, well-coordinated palette can be. Neutral tones, when paired thoughtfully, often create a far stronger impression than chaotic color choices. wearing worn-out or damaged clothing. Faded shirts, stretched collars, and scuffed shoes send a message of neglect. Even if your outfit was once stylish, wear and tear can quickly diminish its impact. Adult men should regularly assess their wardrobe and remove items that no longer represent the standard they want to project. Choosing the wrong footwear for the outfit. Shoes can make or break your entire look. Wearing athletic sneakers with a semi-formal outfit or overly formal shoes with casual wear creates visual inconsistency. The key is alignment. Your footwear should match the tone of your outfit, not fight against it. Overlooking grooming and presentation. Clothing alone isn't enough. Wrinkled shirts, unkempt hair, and lack of basic grooming can ruin even the most well-thought-out outfit. Style is a complete package, and neglecting personal presentation undermines everything else you're trying to achieve. Relying too heavily on logos and branding. Wearing large logos or heavily branded clothing often signals insecurity rather than confidence. True style doesn't rely on shouting brand names. It's expressed through fit, coordination, and subtle details. Minimal branding tends to look more refined and mature, especially for adult men aiming for a sophisticated image. Wearing the wrong fabric for the occasion. Fabric choice is often overlooked, yet it plays a major role in how your outfit is perceived. Heavy materials in hot weather or overly casual fabrics in formal settings can make you look out of place. Understanding when to wear cotton, wool, linen, or blends helps you stay comfortable while maintaining a polished appearance. Ignoring seasonal dressing. Dressing appropriately for the season isn't just about temperature. It's about visual harmony. Dark, heavy tones in peak summer or overly bright outfits in colder months can feel disconnected. Aligning your wardrobe with the season shows awareness and attention to detail, both of which elevate your overall style. over-accessorizing without purpose. Accessories should enhance your outfit, not dominate it. Wearing too many rings, bracelets, necklaces, or loud watches at once can create visual clutter. A well-chosen accessory adds character, but too many can make your look feel forced and unfocused rather than intentional and refined. Wearing wrinkled or unkempt clothing. Even expensive clothing loses its appeal when it's wrinkled or poorly maintained. A creased shirt or crumpled trousers can instantly downgrade your appearance. Taking a few extra minutes to iron or steam your clothes shows discipline and respect for how you present yourself to the world. Choosing the wrong undergarments. Undergarments may not always be visible, but their impact is undeniable. Visible lines, mismatched colors under light fabrics, or ill-fitting underwear can disrupt the clean silhouette of your outfit. The right base layers ensure everything above them sits properly and looks intentional. Following trends without considering personal style. Not every trend is meant for you, and that's perfectly fine. Blindly copying what's popular can lead to outfits that feel unnatural or uncomfortable. True style comes from understanding what works for your body, lifestyle, and personality, then selectively incorporating trends that complement that foundation. Wearing clothes that don't match your age or stage of life. Dressing too young or overly formal for your lifestyle can create a disconnect. Adult men benefit from clothing that reflects maturity without feeling rigid. The goal isn't to limit yourself, but to strike a balance between modern style and a sense of personal evolution. Neglecting proportions in layering. Layering is a powerful tool, but it requires balance. Wearing pieces of similar lengths or bulky layers without structure can make your outfit look heavy and shapeless. Good layering creates depth while maintaining clean lines, allowing each piece to complement rather than compete. sticking to one style without experimentation. While consistency is important, refusing to evolve can make your style feel stagnant. Many men stick to the same outfits for years out of comfort. Introducing small changes, different textures, colors, or fits, can refresh your look without abandoning your identity. Overlooking the details that tie everything together. Small details often make the biggest difference. A mismatched belt and shoes, visible socks in the wrong context, or poorly chosen buttons can subtly disrupt an otherwise strong outfit. Paying attention to these finishing touches shows a higher level of style awareness. Style is a reflection of awareness. At its core, great style isn't about having more clothes. It's about making better choices. Avoiding these simple mistakes can transform how you look and feel without requiring a complete wardrobe overhaul. When you focus on fit, balance, and intention, your style naturally becomes sharper, more confident, and more aligned with who you are.